Here we are starting with the organic chemistry syllabus for class 12. Okay. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Hydrocarbons are those compounds which contain hydrogen and carbon. These are parent organic compounds. Okay. These are parent organic compounds. All the other compounds are the derivatives of these organic compounds. Derivatives, or other compounds are the derivatives. Okay, derivatives are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms, by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by other atoms or group of atoms. Okay, hydrogen atoms by other atoms or group of atoms. These are the derivatives of hydrocarbons. Okay. Halogen derivatives of aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons are called as haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. Halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of these hydrocarbons are called as haloalkanes and haloarenes. Alkanes and haloarenes. Now, first let us discuss about haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are also called as alkyl halides. Haloalkanes. They are also called as alkyl halides. Okay. These are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon. Okay, one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atom, and the function and the compound will be like this, Rx. Example for alkyl halide CH3Cl. Methyl halide is an example. Methyl halide. And the general formula will be like this: CnH2n plus 1, which is the alkyl group, and X will be the halogen. So this is the general formula for these alkyl halides. Okay, these alkyl halides are occurring free in nature. Okay, they are occurring free in nature. They are also the excellent solvents for many organic compounds. Okay, they are excellent solvents for many organic compounds. Excellent solvents. Okay, for many organic materials or organic compounds. Okay, so they are very helpful in our day-to-day life. Next is aryl halides or haloarenes. Haloarenes are also called as aryl halides. Haloarenes or aryl halides. Okay. In this case, these are aromatic halogen compounds, and in this case, a hydrogen atom in the aromatic ring is replaced by a halogen atom. Okay. Or halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic ring. For example, chlorobenzene. Okay. Chlorobenzene. These are also written like this: RX, ARX. Okay. Aryl halide. Okay. These are also called as nuclear substitution derivative. Okay. These compounds are also called as nuclear substitution. Substitution is taking place in the nucleus. So they are also called as nuclear substitution derivatives. Another type of arenes are next aryl alkyl halides or aralkyl halides. Aryl alkyl halides or aralkyl halides. Okay. In this case, the halogen atom is linked to a carbon atom in the side chain of a aromatic ring. Okay, halogen atoms linked to the carbon atom of the side chain. So they are also called as side chain substitution derivatives. Side chain substitution derivatives. Okay. Here there will be an aromatic ring in which a side chain will be there, into which the halogen atoms are attached. So this will be the Ar CH2X. This will be the compound. This will be the compound. The functional group can be written like this. Okay. Example is benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Okay. This will be an example for this type of compounds, and their properties are almost similar to the alkyl halides. Okay, alkyl halides, and they are far differ from the aryl arenes or aryl halides. Okay, haloarenes or aryl halides. Okay. In the case of aralkyl halides, their properties are far different from that of haloarenes or aryl halides, or they are almost showing the properties similar to that of alkyl halides. Now, next let us discuss about some applications. These are having wide applications in our day-to-day life. Applications. They are used as solvents in non-polar organic compounds. Okay, used as solvents in non-polar compounds. Okay. Next property, these are the starting materials for many of the organic compounds. Okay, starting materials for many of the organic compounds. Okay. Next, an antibiotic called chloramphenicol. Antibiotic called chloramphenicol, which is a halogen derivative hydrocarbon. Okay, halogen derivative hydrocarbon, halogenated compound. It is produced by microorganisms. It is produced by microorganisms and is useful in it is very effective for typhoid fever. Okay, it's very effective for typhoid fever. Antibiotic used in the typhoid fever. Another example is thyroxine. Thyroxine, which is also an halogenated compound, which is produced in the body, which contains iodine. Okay, this deficiency causes goiter. Okay, so this thyroxine hormone is very useful in the body. It is produced in the body itself. It is an iodine containing compound, and its deficiency causes goiter. Another example. Okay, next, chloroquine, a synthetic compound. Chloroquine, synthetic compound, which is used in the treatment of malaria. Which is used in the treatment of malaria. Next is halothane. Halothane, anesthetic in surgery. Halothane. Halothane, anesthetic in surgery. And some fluorinated compounds are there, which are used as a potential blood substitute in surgery. Fluorinated compounds. used as substitutes, blood substitute in surgery. These are some of the applications. Okay. One more type of halogenated compound is polyhalogen organic compounds. Polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen compounds. These compounds in which more than one hydrogen atoms are replaced by the hydrogen atom. Okay. For example, CCl4, CHCl3 are examples for polyhalogen compounds in which here 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine, here 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine. These are examples for polyhalogen compounds.